Hello viewers and welcome back to the ATrains95 YouTube channel. If you're new around here, I'm ATrains95 and that's that. Welcome to another Trains At. But this time we're not at Watford Junction, we're not at St. we're not in High Wycombe, we're not at Marlow, we're not at Bourne End, Cookham. Where else? The amount of other stations we've done anyway. We're on a different side of the railway today. So you're probably wondering, Ernie, where are you? If you haven't seen by the title of the video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we are filming at Hatfield. Hatfield. I've never done this station, so I don't know what it's like. I have asked the station staff if there's high-speed lines. There are. It's Great Northern services, so no problems. So yeah. We're on platform 2 right now. I will mostly be filming from on top of the footbridge, just because of the high-speed lines and stuff. I know I've done it at Watford Junction, but it's not really, I don't really want like the wind and stuff. So that's why I'm gonna be at a safe distance. So, by the way, any of you who are new to train spotting, you've just got to be so careful, honestly. But yeah, no, enjoy the video and here's a 180. So, you'll see a lot of them. Enjoy this. 717017 to Welwyn Garden City. Welcome to Hatfield. And on platform 2, which is this one, the next train is actually not stopping here. Eleni Arazuma. Fucking speedy one there. Right. Here goes 717017 to Welwyn Garden City, which is its next station and the final station. The next train is at 10:02 for Cambridge on platform 3. I'm not sure what's coming in on platform 1. I have to look at the boards for that.
Due to a fault with the signalling system between Elephant and Castle and Loughborough Junction, services are subject to delays, alterations or cancellations. Tickets are being accepted on alternative Thameslink, Southern and South Eastern services, London Underground and TfL buses. For more information visit thameslinkrailway.com or our apps.
Okay, now putting in on platform 3 is the 10:02 Great Northern service to Cambridge via Welwyn North and Stevenage. Okay. On 111, I think that was to that way. 717021 Great Northern service, I think, going to Moorgate. And there's a non-stopper on platform 2. So we're going to keep filming this. I want to see if we can get this. I don't know what it is. It might be a Northern Thameslink, or it might be a Eleni Arazuma. What is it? Oh, it's another. Oh, it's a 717. It's a 707. It's a 700. I don't know which one that was, but that was the train heading out. Seven hundred 147. 700 147. This platform 2 at Hatfield is way quieter. So I think Hatfield station, I'm gonna rate it like an 8 out of 10 for train spotting. It is really decent. You got the high speed lines, these two, and you got platforms 1 and 3 for stoppers, and 2 for stoppers as well. 387 112. From, I think it says Moorgate, I don't know. But yeah, no, this is a really good station to train spot at. You got the waiting shelters, obviously. You got the departure boards right next to you. So you've got an up fast. Hang on. So you've got the up fast and the down fast. I'm not sure which one's which. And you've got that. You got two. Sorry, I was filming up the electrical cables. Sorry, I can't help it. I like electrics. Okay. And where you're stood, you're in the sun, so it's perfect. And you've got 2 bridges, so that you can film from the top if you would rather do that. I like this platform personally, but platform 1 isn't bad if you go right to the other edge. And if you're a bus enthusiast, you can literally look out at the buses all day. I'm going to find out what's coming through next, and then we will have a little scour. And there goes a Zoomer to King's Cross. (387 397 379022), and over there is the Welland train. I'm gonna head up there. I'm gonna head up that side just to get it to leave. Although we are on the closing side. We are on the exit side, so it's going to be a bit more awkward to try and film up here. I shouldn't really be stood up here. I'm going to move up a little bit because this is a new station for me. I don't really want to break rules here or anything, so that's why I'm going to film from the footbridge. Oh, there it goes. And with that train leaving, I want to say thank you guys for watching that video. If you liked it, then punch that thumbs up button in the face like a boss. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new around here. And as always, thank you guys, and I will see all you dudes in the next video. Cheers guys, and take care. See you in the next one. Peace out.